I'm at Lucky Supermarket South. Let me show you what I got. Their green onion cake, an order of their roasted pig, and nothing hits the spot on a rainy day like pho. Of course, you know we can't eat pho without our chili oil. Our Vietnamese chili oil with any pho is always going to be fire. A bite of this roasted pig. Big deal. They definitely load this bowl up with a lot of meat. Get a bite of this green onion cake. Pigs in a blanket. Try our chili oil. Definitely come to Lucky Supermarket South. Try it with their bowl of pho. So bomb.